Hello all, welcome back again. My name is Ankush Agnihotri. Today we will continue our Angular journey. This is part 3 of it. If you haven't watched the other part, I suggest you to watch that first. Link is in description. So let's start today. Today we will talk about the TypeScript. So what is TypeScript? TypeScript is an open source language which is developed by the Microsoft. It is a superset of JavaScript, meaning all the JavaScript is a valid TypeScript. TypeScript code transpiles to the plain JavaScript. That means code that we write in the TypeScript must be compiled and converted to the JavaScript before the browser executes it. That way, we as a developer gets the benefit of the TypeScript features during the development, and the browser still get the code they understand. That is the JavaScript. One of the key benefit of the TypeScript is it is a strongly typed, meaning that everything has a data type. Because of this strongly typed nature, TypeScript has great tooling including inline documentation, syntax checking and code navigation, and advanced code refactoring. So TypeScript help us better reason about our code. And also TypeScript implements the ECMAScript 2015 class based object orientation. Plus more, it implements classes, interface and inheritance. So if you have experience with any of the object oriented programming language such as C#, C++ or Java, using the TypeScript may feel very natural to you. Okay, so let's start our coding session. Before we start our coding, we need Node.js to be installed on our machines. So from where we can download the Node.js, link is in description, check it that. Let's switch to the browser. From there you have to be install the suitable package according to your OS, Windows, Mac OS. So I'm using the Windows OS, so I'm installing the Windows installer. So when you click on it, a node setup will be installed, downloaded, and you have to be click on it. Node is already installed on my machine. So the next thing is you need to be verify whether the node is installed or on your machine. How you can verify that? You can verify that by running the commands node space -v for checking the node version, then for the npm space v. So let's check that first. Open the command window, type node space -v, hit enter, you will get the node version. Then npm space -v, you will get the npm version. It means node is successfully installed on your machine. Our next step is to install the Angular CLI on your machine. For installing the Angular CLI, how you can install it? You can install it by using the npm space install space -g space @angular/CLI. Don't worry about the command, all the commands will be available in the description box. So when you run this command, Angular CLI will be installed on your machine. So how you can verify Angular CLI is installed on your machine or not? So simply you have to be type ng space -space b. When you click hit enter, you will see Angular CLI version will be come over there. So in this way our basics that we need to write a code will be ready. Node will be installed in our machine, npm will be installed, Angular CLI is installed. The last thing that you need to start your application is Visual Studio Code Editor, that you have to be install it. I already installed on my machine, so I prefer Visual Studio Code for writing the Angular application, so I use it. So in the next section we will talk how we can create our Angular app using the Angular CLI command. See you over there. Please subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it yet, and please provide your valuable feedback. Thanks.